Now students, today we are going to start our English new poem, and the unit is also new, that is unit 9, and the poem is Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. What is the name of the poem? Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. So this poem is there, and unit number 9 we are going to start today. So now here you can see, do you have a grandparent who does things for you? Let's read and about the granny in this poem. Now we are going to learn many things from this unit about our grandparents. This unit is for grandparents only. So now first I will do the model reading of this poem. So first let's read the poem. Name of the poem is Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such care. You put me to sit on a cushion between your knees. You rub a little coconut oil, parting gentle as a breeze. Granny, you have all the time in the world, and when you are finished, you always turn my head and say, now who is a nice girl? Who is a nice girl? Now see here, I am going to explain this poem. Now in the picture, what do you see? You can see here is grandma or grandmother. Grandmother means grandma, and granny also grandmother. Now you can see here granny, आजी आहे त्या मुलीची, and this is her granddaughter. So you can see she is sitting in the cushion between your knees. म्हणजे जे ग्रॅनीचे पाय बघू शकता तुम्ही आहेत, आणि ह्या पायांच्या मधला जो स्पेस आहे याच्यामध्ये दिस गर्ल इज सिटिंग, अँड हा जो पायांचा मधला भाग आहे त्याला कुशन म्हटलेला आहे बघा. आणि बघू शकता तुम्ही ह्याच्यामध्ये ग्रॅनी आणि ग्रँडडॉटर यांची काय आहे पोएम आहे. लेट्स सी. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. This girl is saying, Granny means Aji. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. Comb case means माझे. This girl is saying, Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such care. आणि you have time. Always, Granny, you have always time. And you give me time. बघा आजकाल sometimes what happens, parents don't have time, but grandparents have time. So this granny is taking care of her granddaughter. So she is telling that you always have time and you take care of me. तू माझी काय करतेस, काळजी घेतेस. You put me to sit on a cushion. हा जो पायांचा मधला भाग आहे दोन पायांच्या, अशी पाय पसरून ग्रॅनी बसलेली आहे, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ही मुलगी बसलेली आहे. म्हणजे कुशन म्हणजे हा पायांच्या मधला जो भाग आहे त्याला कुशन म्हटलेला आहे. यू पुट मी टू सिट ऑन अ कुशन बिटवीन युअर नीज, आणि दिस नीज आर देअर, अँड यू टोल्ड मी टू सिट इन द कुशन. यू रब अ लिटल कोकोनट ऑइल. कोकोनट ऑइल, in our home there is also parachute coconut oil. So you rub, this is rub, okay. You rub a little means little, this much. You rub a little coconut oil, parting gentle as a breeze. This is breeze. So parting gentle means slowly she rub on her head oil. Which oil? Coconut oil. So parting gentle as a breeze, Granny, you have all the time in the world. Means always you have time, Granny. And for me also, you have time. Like this girl is saying to her grandma. See, you can see her cushion, how both are sitting in the, you can see. And when you are finished, you are. This is, you can see this one. This is the short form, and this is the you are. Okay. You have all the time in the world. Means granny, तुझ्याकडं माझ्यासाठी खूप टाइम आहे. You have always for me a time. And when you are finished, you always turn my head and say, now who is a nice girl? Now granny has rubbed coconut oil on the head of a girl. Gently, soft breeze comes, and in this way, this granny has put or rubbed coconut oil on this girl's head, and then after that, when it is finished to put oil or to rub oil, so she turns that granddaughter's head like this way, and she says that now who is nice girl? After rubbing the oil, after putting the oil, this granny is saying to her granddaughter that now who is the nice girl? Now this question is asked by granny to her granddaughter. In this way we have completed this poem. Granny, granny, please comb my hair. So there are new words. You can see here. Care, cushion. जो यहाँ का जो इधर का जो पार्ट रहता है तो पैरों के बीच का उसको कुशन बोला है. केयर, कुशन नीज, गुडघे असतात त्यांना नीज म्हणलेलं आहे. जेंटल मीन्स सॉफ्टली. जेंटल मीन्स व्हाट? सॉफ्टली. ब्रीज, this is breeze. Word, nice. And these words you have to write in the notebook down in the column. This is your homework. Now we are going to see the next. Reading is fun. Now here are some questions we are going to see. What does the little girl want her granny to do? What does the little girl want her granny to do? What does this little girl want to do? So that her granny to do. The little girl wants rub coconut oil on her by her granny. So what is the answer? The little girl wants rub coconut oil on her head by her granny. What does granny rub on her hair? So on little girl's head, what does granny rub? So granny rubs coconut oil. Sorry, 1 minute. First question is there. What does the little girl want her granny to do? Little girl wanted the little girl wants to do to comb her hair by her granny. What is the answer? That was wrong. The little girl wants to comb her hair by her granny. Next question is there. What does granny rub on her hair? Granny rubs coconut oil on her hair. Next question. Does the little girl love her granny? What do you think? Does she love or not? Yes. She loves, yes. She loves her granny. Okay. Now we are going to see the next question, that is, let's talk. Now here we are going to talk about this poem. See here. Do your grandparents live with you? This may be your answer, may be yes, your answer may be no. It is for you only. आपके जो ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स है, जो आप है, वो आपके साथ रहते हैं कि नहीं, ऐसा पूछा गया है। तो रहते होंगे तो आप लिखेंगे इधर यस, नहीं होंगे तो you will write here no. Do you spend some time with them? Do you spend some time with them? Because they don't now means what happens, grandparents now they are old, so they don't have work. So do you spend some time with them? So if you say spend time, you can say yes. If you don't, you can write there no. आप क्या आपके जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, खेलते हैं, बातें करते हैं, क्या स्टोरी सुनते हैं आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से, ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन है। डू यू हेल्प देम? Do you help them? I think so. Yes. The answer will be yes. Now let's share. What do you call grandmother in your language? So what do we call grandmother in our language? So we call Aji in Marathi. Okay. What do you call grandfather in your language? In our language means our native language, that is Marathi, and we call it Ben Azuba. Okay. Do you know any old people? Can you name them? If you know old people who lives near your house, so you can write their name here. How can you make them happy? Discuss with your class. So now old people don't have work because they are now old, means वो बूढ़े हुए हैं और वो काम नहीं कर सकते, उतना काम नहीं कर सकते जितने आपके पेरेंट्स कर सकते हैं. So they don't have work, so they sit only. So they don't have work means they feel maybe bored. So what do you do for them? What activity do you do for them? Maybe sometimes you play with your parents, sometimes you go in the park with your parents, sometimes maybe you listen the stories from your grandparents. So these activities you do, so you have to share these things. Have you ever gone out with your grandparents? क्या आप कभी आपके grandparents के साथ किधर गए हैं क्या? ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा है. तो if you have gone, so you can write there yes. If you have not, you can write no. Next question. Word building. Now we are going to make the word building. Make new words using letters from the word grandparents. Now here the word is given grandparents and you have to make these words from this one word. Last same we have also the same we have made. In this way we are going to this from this grandparents word we are going to make different words. You may use the letters in any order. Now you can change the order also, but we have to take these letters only, not others. One has been done for you. Now here one is done. So we can take and we can make the words grand and parent. These two words we can make first. Next, see, and then R, again A and T, and then again what else? N-E-T, net. We can change the order, so we can make it. And then what is E-A-R, ear. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to write this word middle, and you have to make as much as words you can make. जितने भी आप words बना सकते हैं grandparents words से. So you have to make the words and write in the notebook and send it on my WhatsApp. Now, sometimes we replace the names of people with another word. Instead of repeating the name, replace the names in the sentence using a word from the box. Okay, now here we can see that we are going to learn about pronoun. Means see here, if the girl's name is Hina, so Hina is 5 years old. Okay, Hina likes to eat apple. Hina goes in the school. So always we can't use Hina. After that we can say Hina is 5 years old. She likes to eat apple. So instead of Hina, we have used the word she. Means जो भी वर्ड हम जो नेम रहता है उसके बदले में जो वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं उसको क्या बोलता है? प्रोनाउन. और ये क्या है? नाउन. हिना ये जो है ये क्या है? नाउन है. यू कैन राइट हिना स्पेलिंग लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. ये करेक्ट रहेगा ज्यादा. सो सी हियर हिना, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ गर्ल. एंड जब भी हम हिना के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो बार बार हम हिना हिना नहीं बोल सकते, है कि नहीं? बार बार नहीं. उसे ये पसंद है, उसको वो पसंद है, वो 5 साल की है. हिना के माता पिता ये करते हैं. हिना को एप्पल खाना बहुत पसंद है, उसको स्कूल जाना पसंद है, वो 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती है, वो ऐसा है वैसा है. जो बात करेंगे हम उसके बारे में तो उसे ये पसंद है, ऐसा जो शब्द आएगा उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? शी. और उसको इंग्लिश में प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. और जो भी नेम रहता है, नाउन, नेम मीन्स नाउन, जो भी रहता है उसके बाद हम उसके बदले में जो शब्द यूज करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोनाउन. सो हम वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द प्रोनाउन. यू कैन सी इन दिस येलो स्ट्राइप strip that it, I, he, she, my, you. These are the pronoun. Instead of noun we can use this pronoun. जो भी नाम रहेगा, नेम रहेगा, उसके बदले में हम जो यूज करते हैं. यू कैन सी हिंदी ऑल्सो, इन मराठी ऑल्सो. मराठीमध्ये सुधीर 10 वर्षाचा आहे, तो 5वी मध्ये शाळेला जातो. त्याला आंबा खायला आवडते. तो आई बाबांना मदत करतो. म्हणजे आपण वारंवार सुधीर म्हणतोय का? नाही. सुधीरच्या ऐवजी कोणता शब्द वापरतोय आपण? तो. वी यूज दॅट वर्ड. that is pronoun. So we can't say that again and again the name of the person. So instead of the person, which word we use, that is pronoun. So see here, now here name is Meena. Meena means who? She. मेल रहेगा तो ही आएगा, ओके. मेल पर्सनैलिटी होगी तो क्या आएगा? ही. फीमेल पर्सनैलिटी आएगी तो क्या बोलेंगे? शी. मैं, आप खुद होगे तो क्या यूज करेंगे आप? आई. जब आप खुद होगे तो क्या यूज करेंगे आप? आई. एंड जब भी ज्यादा लोग होंगे तो उसके बारे में आप क्या यूज करेंगे? दे. तो वो इधर नहीं है. लेट्स सी. मीना इज प्लेइंग विथ अ डॉग. मीना मीन्स फीमेल पर्सनैलिटी, लड़की है तो क्या आएगा? शी. शी इज अ गर्ल. नेक्स्ट, Ram is climbing a tree. Now you can see here Ram and he is climbing on a tree. Climbing चढ़ रहा है वो tree के on the tree. So see here Ram is a boy. Sorry, Ram is climbing on a tree. So Ram is male personality. जो कोई वो लड़का है तो क्या आएगा लड़के के लिए? For the male personality he. For the female personality she. So Ram is climbing a tree. He is a boy. So for male personality he. उसके जो राम है वो नेमिंग वर्ड है. राम है ये क्या है? नेमिंग वर्ड है. बार बार हम उसका नाम भी नहीं ले सकते ना. उसके बदले में जो भी शब्द हम यूज करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? प्रोनाउन. और ये क्या है? ऑल प्रोनाउंस आर देयर. सो ही इज अ बॉय. Do not eat that mango. मैंगो है तो ये फीमेल पर्सनैलिटी भी नहीं है और ये मेल पर्सनैलिटी भी नहीं है तो हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? इट. क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको? इट. जो भी मेल भी नहीं है और फीमेल भी नहीं है तो ये क्या है? इट है. ओके. सो डू नॉट ईट दैट मैंगो, ये नेमिंग वर्ड है. उसके बदले में हम क्या यूज करेंगे? इट इज नॉट राइट. इट इज नॉट right. Okay. On the next page, let's write. Now you are going to write here. Suppose you go to stay with your grandparents for a week. Make a list of things that you would like to take with you for them. Do not forget to put a or an or the before each thing. Now you are going to stay with your grandparents. For a week, 7 days के लिए आप अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पास रहने के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो आप जा रहे हैं तो which things will you take with you for them? For your grandparents. What will you take for your grandparents? So जो भी चीजें आप लेने वाले हैं उसके पहले आपको क्या लिखना है? a, an और the. So when do we use a? So when it is only one thing we use a pen, a pencil. जब भी एक ही आएगा तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? a. और and भी हम एक ही थिंग के लिए बोलेंगे पर जो थिंग्स है वो a, e, i, o, u. इससे जो शुरू होने वाले जो शब्द है इस लेटर से वो शब्द तैयार हो गए, शुरू होंगे, स्टार्ट हो गए तो हम वहां पर क्या लिखेंगे? एंड. आप सपोज कि आप एप्पल लेने वाले हैं आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए. आप एप्पल लेकर जाने वाले हैं तो एप्पल लिखेंगे. तो यहाँ पर क्या आया है? अ आएगा. सो अ आएगा तो ये क्या है? वॉवेल्स है. और जब भी हम वॉवेल्स लिखते हैं तो उसके पहले हम अ नहीं लिखते, वहां पर एंड लिखते हैं. वॉवेल्स आ जाएगी तो एंड लिखते हैं. तो ये जो है अ है वो वोवेल है तो उसके पहले हम एन लिखेंगे। जो भी वॉवेल से शुरू होने वाले जो शब्द रहते हैं उनके पहले हम एन लिखते हैं। एन एप्पल। Maybe you are going to take the oranges. So, an orange. Again, a stick. जो स्टिक रहती है ओल्ड पीपल के लिए, तो स्टिक है। तो एस है क्या इधर वॉवेल्स में नहीं है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे अ। फॉर द वॉवेल्स वी यूज एन। अगेन व्हाट एल्स विल यू टेक विथ योर द मेडिसिन। मेडिसिन जो उनके जो गोलियां रहते हैं उसको मेडिसिन। अगेन व्हाट विल एल्स विल यू यूज अ स्वेटर, a shawl. Again, what else? In this way, you can complete this list with your parents. You talk with your parents and complete this list. You can. Which things will you take for your parents, grandparents? You have to take. Next, fun time. Now we are going to make a card for your grandparents. Thank you card means आपके लिए आपके grandparents रहते हैं, उन्होंने क्या क्या नहीं किया, तो जो भी किया है उनके लिए आप क्या बोलने वाले हैं, आपके grandparents को thank you बोलने वाले हैं. So let's see fun time. Make a thank you card for your grandparents. Now you are going to make थैंक यू कार्ड फॉर योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. आपके जो दादा दादी है उनके लिए आप क्या थैंक यू कार्ड बनाने वाले हैं. तो लेट्स सी यू नीड, आपको क्या चाहिए वो बनाने के लिए, चार्ट पेपर ऑफ एनी कलर ऑफ 9 इंचेस बाय 12 इंचेस, स्केच पेन्स, स्टिकर, डिजाइन ब्लॉक. एंड फॉर टू मेक द थैंक यू कार्ड, सी हियर ग्रीटिंग कार्ड जो रहता है उसी तरह हम थैंक यू कार्ड हमारे जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है उनके लिए बनाने वाले हैं, जो भी आपको आपके लिए वो बहुत कष्ट किए हैं, आपको उन्होंने संभाला है, तो इसके बदले में हम आप उनको क्या बोलने वाले हैं, थैंक यू. यू आर गोइंग टू से टू योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दैट थैंक यू. सो फॉर टू मेक द कार्ड यू नीड दिस थिंग्स. यू कैन यूज योर whichever things are there required at your home, you can use that one also. And you are going to make like this thank you card to your grandparents and you are going to give it to them. You have to give it for your to your grandparents, and whichever card you have made you have to click the photo of that and send it on my WhatsApp. See here how to make, it is given here. Fold the paper into two. You have to fold it into pieces. Draw or stick pictures on it. Which pictures you want to draw or stick, you can do it. Write a message inside beginning with dear grandfather or grandmother. So you have to write the message to your grandparents, and at the left side you have to write dear grandparents or dear grandmother, dear grandfather, and whatever you want to write you can write over there. See here is the card. Now you can see here grandfather is here, somebody's grandfather is this. So this is an outline of Meena's grandfather. Whose grandfather is this? Meena's grandfather. So this is an outline of Meena's grandfather, and his hat, tie, mustache, glasses, stick, etc. Write each word in the given box. Color the picture and write his name. So now here is Mina's grandfather, and some things he have missed. He does not have those things. So we have to make those things. So which things are there? A hat. So you have to make here. I'm not that much good in drawing, but I'm trying. You can draw it properly. Hat, okay. Okay, hat. You can draw it well. So then next, tie. This is the tie. Okay, then mustache. Mustache. Either you can see here. Mustache. These are the I can't go to this. Okay, mustache. Then afterwards, glasses. See here. Okay, glasses and a stick. Stick is in his hand. So these things you have to do on this picture, and we will write the names here, and you have to color the picture. So which things are there? Hat, then glasses, again mustache, then stick, okay, again tie, again what else? You can see watch else there. Okay. So in this way you have to complete it and color the picture. On the next page, page number 146. Now here you can see a picnic. Now this family has gone for the picnic. See here, a picnic. In the picture, you can see here is the family. See here, grandfather is here, grandmother is here, and this is their son, means your father and mother, and their children are these 1, 2 and 3. These 3 are children. So you can see in the picture they have gone for the picnic, and you have to observe the picture and write 5 lines on it. So this father and son are playing football, you can see here, and this grandmother and this your mother, maybe she is giving food or something to eat, and this girl is picking the papers, and this boy and his grandfather, they are fishing. Maybe this picture like that is there. So you have to write 5 lines on it. Eating food together, picking up wrappers or waste papers, serving food, playing football, talking to elderly people, fishing with grandfather. So using these words you have to write the sentences. Mother and grandmother are eating food together. Okay. Second, picking up wrappers or waste papers. A girl is picking up waste papers. Next, third one. Mother is serving food. Okay, next. What is playing football? Father and a son. A father and a son are playing a football. Okay, next. Talking to elderly people or fishing with grandfather. A boy is fishing. फिशिंग मीन जो मछलियां पकड़ते हैं वो. फिशिंग विथ हिज grandfather. Okay, in this way you have to complete it in your book.